Hey everyone, welcome back to our HTML for Complete Beginners guide. In this video, we will going to learn about anchor tag in HTML. First, you have to come over into your Sublime text, and here we will going to create a new folder called new file, and we will going to name this file for another page .html. I'm going to click save over here. And then we're going to go for our index.html, and from here we can simply type give an anchor tag over here, opening tag and the closing tag. So here you can see we give the anchor tag into opening and closing tag. In between these opening and closing tag, we can simply type over here visit another page. Can simply type it over here, so we can simply save it. And now if we go for our HTML file over here, you can see there is showing visit another page. So we will going to add a link over here for the another page over here that we created, another page.html. So into the a tag we have to type over here href, and then going to type over here another page name, another page.html, and that's it. We can save it right now, and then we can simply go for our this page. As you can see that now we can get the visit another page link over here. So if you click on that, we can simply see into here there is road is another page.html. so by this you can simply use the anchor tag over here. So also we can add the anchor tag into HTML in a very simple way, and we can use it for the different pages in a very simple manner. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.